Welcome to Milak Online Tutorial, and before us today is this question in mathematics. I'm part of the WAEC November 2022 mathematics question number 7, and we are asked to simplify 2 divided by x plus 1 minus 3 divided by x equals 3 over 2. Alright, now how do we simplify this? Just very simple. What we just need to do is to take a look at the left hand side of the expression. Now we find the LCM between the denominators, and here we have x plus 1 and x. So the denominator of these two is the product of the two of them. So here we have x plus 1 into x. Okay, so this whole expression divided by this, we will see that this will cancel out this remaining x times 2, we have 2x. Now this whole expression here divided by x, here we have x plus 1, because this x will cancel out this. So x plus 1 times minus 3, here we have minus 3 into x plus 1. Then all will give us 3 over 2. Okay, now let us now open the bracket or simplify further. We have 2x, then minus 3 times x will give us minus 3x, then minus 3 times plus 1 will give us minus 3. Then everything over, if I have to open this bracket, it means we have to multiply the two expression together. It will be x times x will give us x squared, x times 1 will give us what? X. Then all will give us 3 over 2. Now in this case, let us simplify further. 2x minus 3x will give us minus x, then minus 3x over our denominator x raised to power 2 plus x, all will give us 3 divided or over 2. Now in this case, now what we need to do now is to cross multiply. So as which this will multiply through by the numerator, and this will multiply through by the denominator on the right hand side. So here we have that 2 into minus x minus 3 then equals 3 into x raised to power 2 plus x. Alright, opening the bracket here, this multiplied by whatever is in the bracket, we have minus 2x minus 6 then equals 3x squared plus 3x. Alright, now let us bring all this to the right hand side, and as such, remember their signs also will be changing. Now this moving over to here and this moving over to this place. So here, take note, this one turn plus and this one also become plus. So here we have that 3x raised to power 2 now plus 3x then plus 2x then plus 6. So here we have that 3x raised to power 2. Now adding both together, we have 5x plus what? 6, all equals to 0. Alright, this is where the question tells us to stop, and here is the final answer. Alright, if you love what I've just done, please kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel and ensure you click on the notification button to be notified of every video that I will be uploading on this platform. Thank you and God bless you. Amen.